Okay, hello everyone, how are you? Okay, now we're going to go into, before we go into putting up a one-time offer, I really wanted to go and quickly show you probably one of the most important and overlooked aspects to doing a giveaway. If you want to get paid, there's only one thing you can really do to get yourself paid. You must enter your PayPal email, correct, right here. Okay, right here, you enter it in. Whatever your email is, put it in. That's the only way you are going to get paid. So I'm sorry I overlooked it on the last video, but here, that's it right there. Okay. Now let us go into Manage Offers, and this is where you go when you're going to put up your one-time offer. If you've already paid for the upgrade, this is where you can put your own offer in and sell your product. So let us do that right now. Add new offer. You go right to here and you add an offer. Okay, now here are the offer details. Now first it's the name of the offer. So mine we're going to call marketing for internet infants. Okay, the price we are going to do is $27. I'm not going to do the download URL at this point because I don't want to put that in until later. I mean, if I put it in, you guys are going to be able to see where I'm downloading. So, right now we're going to go in and we're going to put in the HTML right here. And remember, no headers, no footers, and no PayPal buttons. Okay. So this is what I did. I went into, say, this is my. Let's see here if it's in here somewhere. Open. I went into my program. Let me show you what I did. Internet marketing. Hold on one second. Here's my folder. Went into my folder and went into index. Okay, and I'm taking this code right here. Okay, can you see all this? Let me see if I have to scoot this over. If I can. I'm taking this bit of code all right here, and I'm putting it into my PayPal page. Okay, and as you can see, these have the Buy Now buttons, but the ones I am putting in, I've taken these out. These Buy Now buttons right here, and I've not included the header or the footer, and I've just copied. Okay, I've just copied from here all the way down, but I've copied it in the code, as you can see right here. Okay, so, and I put that into a text editor, and here it is right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy this. Okay, copy, and now we're going to go back into our giveaway, and we're going to paste it right in here. Okay, now this has no PayPal buttons, and it has no footer or header. Okay, now I'm going to enter in my download URL, but I'm going to put it on pause while I do that so you can't see it, and then I'm going to show you what that looks like when we're done with it. Okay, so let's do that. So I'm going to push the pause here. Okay, and I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, here we are. Now we're going to click the Add Offer button after you put on your download page, and let's see what happens. Offer is successfully added, and here we are. There's the URL for the download, and I want to test it. Let's test it to see what happened. Introducing marketing for internet infant success from your first step. Here we are. Now all these images actually need to be live for this to work, and they all need to be live coming from that place. What we're going to be doing is now I'm going to be going in and showing you how to remedy that problem if you do have that happen. See, the reason the pictures aren't showing up is because they're not correctly placed online, and so I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that, so hold on one second. Okay, hey all. So what I just did is I uploaded all my images through an FTP client. This one is FileZilla. I just re-uploaded everything onto FileZilla. Okay, and as you can see, it's working, and it's putting up all the images in from this image file and putting it into the other image file on to the server. So once that is done, I'm going to go back and check and see if that did the trick or not. In the meantime, I'll put it on pause again and just work my way over there. So hold on. Okay, now I figured out the problem with it, and what it was is that these right here, you're going to see that all these JPEGs throughout the code, they need to be up. You have to have your images uploaded to your server, and right now they are up on my server. They are just not spelled out on the on this particular code. So what you have to do is you have to put in each one. So right now I'm entering the URL for this JPEG. Okay, http :/ www.internetinfants.com / images / get _off 1.jpg. Okay. Actually, I don't know if I need that one, but we're going to keep going. Okay, so alright, so far so good. And now we are going to go into the JPEG, the next one, and here it is right here. Okay, we see this, and we're going to take this out right here because this was actually moved. So now we're going to put in http www.internetinfants.com / images / Cindy Rhodes. Okay, now that's another one. So anyway, you're going to keep on going all the way through till you're done doing that, and then you're going to click update. And I'm going to do that. I'm not going to make you guys have to go through this with me, and so I'll be right back. Okay guys, now so I did the tedious task of going through each one of these and putting in the root folder, the root URL to each of the images, and now we're going to update and see if that actually worked. And now we're going to test it out. Okay. Alright, look, it worked. I think it so far so good. Let's see if these came in. That came in. Yes, that looks good. That looks good. Follow, Casey. Right, that looks good. Now, order now. Now, this should take us to the PayPal or the download page once you order. That's just a test, so it might not take you there. But that's so it. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, so there's $27 right there, as you can see. That takes you to pay for it, and that's that. So let's go back. Now, when you're putting up an auto or a one-time offer, sometimes you don't necessarily want to have a bunch of other things that the person can click through. So Twitter, YouTube, Facebook buttons, and URL to the website, and legal stuff. You don't necessarily need any of that, but you can put it in there if you want it. But it could take from someone's. It could draw their attention from ordering the actual product. So anyway, this was more like a just to give you an example. So we've gone over auto, and now in the next video, I think we're going to go into contributor. Let me just go back into here. We're going to go into contributor help, and we're going to start getting emails as well as other campaigns to help out with the contribution. Okay? So I'll see you in the next video.